Good morning, children.
Look at this picture, children. What are these? Yes, children, this is a raincoat and this is a rainbow. Wow, it's so lovely. This is a paper boat. This is an umbrella. These are gumboots. Yes, children, do you know what am I going to talk about today? Yes, children, we are talking about rainy season or monsoon. See, it's raining. Water drops are falling from sky. And see the children, they're wearing gumboots and raincoat and they're using umbrella. Sometimes in the rain, some children love to play with paper boat and some children they just take their umbrella and they go out to play in the rain. And you know children, sometimes you can see frog jumping in the rain and they make the sound croak, croak. And sometimes after the rain, you will see beautiful rainbow in the sky. Very lovely, colorful rainbow.